Is a waterless car wash product a good option for your vehicle? It can be, as long as you employ the right technique and choose a good quality brand. Today, we'll look at the 6 best products on the market to help you choose the right one for your car. If you're a car owner, you probably already know how restrictive owning a car can sometimes feel. There's just so much maintenance needed that you can't always have the time or patience for it. One of these procedures you need to follow on a more than regular basis, however, is definitely washing your car. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best waterless car wash products from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Nexian Waterless Wash. Although with less reviews than the others products tested here, I wanted to give this waterless car wash a try, as Nexian has pleasantly surprised me with both their ceramic spray and their ceramic soap. As I had expected, Nexian Waterless Wash is really fantastic, and if you had to take one spray bottle on the road with you to do everything, from washing to car polish and vehicle exterior protection, this would probably beat it. It removes dirt, pollen, dust and other stains and leaves behind no streaks, smears, or spots, and the subtle coating left on the car is absolutely amazing and super slick looking. Best part is, it protects your car's paint from rain, UV radiation, and other environmental hazards, without leaving the paint sticky oily for dust to stick to. Number 2. Meguiar's Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. With over 7,400 reviews to attest its quality, the Meguiar's G3626 Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax definitely knows how to earn its top position as one of the best waterless car wash products around. What makes this item so special? If you need to take only one bottle of car detailing on the road with you, put it in your trunk, and head off, this should be it, since it does it all. It has a super slick formula that's easy to apply on any surface of the car, and what is left behind is a protective, shiny, non-sticky film. This means you won't have any dust settling on your vehicle once you've applied this product. Literally any car owner's dream. Number 3. Water Waterless Car Wash Wax Kit. At 144 ounces, this waterless car wash wax kit is everything you need for your car and more. This product is uniquely branded as having been used by the aircraft. This intrigued us so much. All around the world for 33 years. Think NASA, Air Force One, Marine One, airlines, and the military. Corporate and private aircraft owners also use this product, which speaks about its quality and top results. Then, they sponsor sale after sale, which demonstrates this item's top quality features, and just how satisfied car owners are with it. This Aero Cosmetics aircraft quality waterless car wash wax kit is created to gently clean your car, while creating a protective non-sticky UV-safe film. This means that your vehicle will get extra protection from harmful sun rays, which is always a great plus. Number 4. Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. The Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat Ceramic Coating Car Wax Polish Spray is rated on Amazon as one of the best waterless car wash treatments out there, with over 51,000 positive reviews. But is this product really living up to its hype? Shine Armor's solution is advertised as complex and advanced, offering 3 steps to car care: ceramic coating, car wax, and waterless wash, enabling you to clean your car quickly and efficiently, all while also taking care of the detailing part. And as a car owner, having all these car care steps included in one single product is, let's face it, pretty amazing. Unfortunately, the results were far away from my initial expectations, and the only good thing about Shine Armor Waterless Car Wash Sprayable Solution is that it's very easy to use. It can be sprayed onto paint, glass, wheels, textured plastic, clear optical plastic, bumpers and window trim, engine bays, door jambs, exhaust tips, and so on. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.